So today we've got a B&W FRM module set up. So this is a 3M 25J mask, and we're using ACDP2 with module 8 FRM, and we'll just set this up so pins are all touching. So just going to see if it will read, and if it's corrupt, which I don't think this one is. And this is a common failing on B&W's minis when all the lights are playing up and windows, etc. And the pins are all good. So let's read the data. So we are set up, just using the normal plug. Might be a quick video at this. And this is out of the B&W 1 series. So we know this is good straight away because that's the correct file size, and that if D-flash reads file, it means it's corrupt. So we're just going to back this one up, and obviously the customer's got another problem. So when it says uploading data, it's actually saving it. It's just its way of saying saving. So we've read both of them, and if we do full data recovery, automatic mode, I don't think it'll actually let me go any further with this because it'll say it's good. Yeah, so interesting. Why is there no VIN number stored? Now this has come out of a running driving vehicle, so it should be okay. We haven't actually got. So it's saying it's wrote it, so. And the app's obviously not that good on computer either, because it doesn't seem the most stable. I normally use on my phone or tablet. Yeah, so hex editor won't work. Oh, it's just now flicked off, but I have got CAS 1 to 4 module as well down here. Well, obviously I've got the FRM one at the moment, so we'll do a bit more on this. We've also just got GoDiag, all the B&W GoDiag cables, so we're doing a bit more on B&Ws and coding keys and all keys lost and stuff in the next couple of weeks. Thank you.